Hey, have you gotten your MagnaFancy interchangeable purse yet? Well, I have a deal for you. When you receive it, send me a video of you unboxing it that I can post on social media, and you'll get 50% off your next set of covers. Now, it doesn't have to be anything elaborate, and you don't even have to be in it if you don't want to. Just video you unboxing and unwrapping it and your thoughts when you see it. I'll post it to my social media and I'll send you a digital coupon for half off your next set of covers. That's it. Now, here's the link to the online store and the available designs. But if you want to design something special for a cover, like your business contact information, a QR code, or a special picture or something like that, then contact me directly. Because remember, I start with the raw materials and I handcraft the design elements myself. So you're getting something truly unique. And now, here's a happy customer opening her MagnaFancy package.
So I'm really excited because I got my new purse from Fancy Pants by Nancy, and I wanted to open it and share it. If I can open it, here we go. Ooh, fancy. Look how, see, it is fancy. It's all pink, and it has sparkles in the wrapping. Isn't it pretty? Oh, okay, I'm not gonna give this away just yet. So it has, and it has thank you for supporting my small business, which is very important to me. I like to support small business. I like to support local business. Oh, how pretty. And I can use it with what I have on today. See how lovely that is? The blue and white with gold trim. And pop it open. And it has a chain that's detachable inside, if you've not seen one of these inside. And she has put charms on it for me. It has a heart and a little gemstone and a shoe, which is perfect for me because I have a shoe thing, and a cross and another little heart, pen charm, and music notes. There's the music notes, which is perfect for me also because I am a musician. But the really cool thing, if you don't know anything about this, is that it's magnetic and you can replace them. So now, and on the inside of this one, it gives the care instructions. So Nancy's very, pays a lot of attention to detail. And then I will show you my other set of magnetic covers. Because, you know, you can't wear blue and white. You can't do blue and white with everything. So my other set, you just pull that magnet off and replace it with this one, is a neutral, a little bit more neutral shade that I can use with other things besides blue and white. So look up Fancy Pants by Nancy as quickly as you can and get yours.
Well, you heard the lady. Contact me and let's get cracking on yours.